Sunday evening. This is Brandon Campbell coming to you live with a quick video on digital marketing for beginners. And if you're new to this channel, like and subscribe to the channel as I do give a lot of digital marketing, online marketing tips that can help you on your journey to becoming a better online marketer, digital marketer. It's the same thing. And I would like to share with you today, you know, a lot of people have products that they make at home and sell, and then they want to take them and put them on an ecstasy store. Well, that ain't the way because ecstasy, from my understanding, they charge a small commission fee for you selling stuff on their platform. The best thing for you to do is number one, set up you a WordPress site and offer a service to your customers. If you're making bracelets, if you're making charms, you can hold small classes, set up a YouTube channel and show other people how to make, because a lot of people to this COVID stuff are taking on a lot of new and interesting hobbies, and just to do something to, you know, make a little profit, make a little money. Or if you're a coach, consultant, or you plan on being a coach or a consultant, the best thing for you to do, excuse me, is to set up you a free Aweber account, create a landing page, and offer a video or two or some tutorials about your service. Or if you're in the weight loss industry and you got a certain exercise routine that you think people might want to know, that's really helped you to lose weight, or to get in better shape, or just to better overall care for yourself, then that would be the best thing to do. A lot of people go about online marketing the wrong way. You have a product, a service, some dance move, because people are crazy about TikToks that you want to teach. The first place that you should look at is YouTube. YouTube is the second biggest platform that people spend a lot of time and money on. It was said in a couple days ago that most one-third of people make buying decisions after following YouTube influencers, Instagram influencers, but we're not going to talk about Instagram right now. We're just talking about digital marketing for beginners, and the best place for you to start at is on YouTube. It's free, it's easy, with the right tools and resources, you can grow your channel pretty quickly. I'm not here to try to sell you on you're gonna go from 0 to 10,000 in a short period of time. It takes time, it takes effort. You have to put in the work, but it can be done. There are several thousand niches on YouTube that people just pass by every day. And, who knows, maybe you and your skills and, what you have to offer can help. And the best way to do that is set you up a YouTube account along with other social media marketing accounts. And once you do that, after setting up your Aweber account and building a free landing page, the best thing to do is point everybody to your landing page, because that's going to help you to get traffic, to build your subscriber list. In the next 45 or the next 30 days, you should be able to collect 100 subscribers. 100 subscribers or 100 customers is all you need to create a reliable business. Thank you. Have a great day.